go.
Good evening. I've got Jared Coots with me tonight, the team manager for the New Zealand team, and he's going to wrap up on the day's play.
Cool. Alright, so today was obviously a little bit easier on the team. The pressure was off with the match being sealed yesterday with an 11-1 lead, but it was important for us to continue to improve and continue to focus, as we didn't want to lose momentum going into the next test. So although the test was won, we were still chasing every match win that we could. It's 10-7 now. After nearly 10 hours, we've had 2 matches completed. Chris and Paddy had another 2-0 match win, and they played really well. Chris did a TPO in the first game, and there was about 50 to 60 spectators there for that game, so that was really, really good and something for them to see. Jenny and Greg have had another marathon battle, but this time they were able to get a 1-0 lead, which I was very happy about, and game 2 was another close match before they were able to close it out. Both of those matches, the 2-0 scoreline doesn't reflect how close the games were, but any 2-0 win is one that we'll take regardless of the time. We've currently got 1 match still in play, and that's Toby and Aaron against Jeff Sue and David Maloof. The States got off to a good start in that one and took the first game for the Kiwi fight back, and they're currently in the third, and New Zealand has the innings, but it could go either way, so we're awaiting the result of that one. So overall, another really good day for the Kiwis, and we've currently got a 13-1 lead. Yep.
Jared, is there anything really special that happened today?
Yeah, so like I mentioned earlier, we had a lot of spectators around, and I think having particularly that TPO'd finish was really good for those. I think one of New Zealand's strengths over the last 4 days have been our tactical choices, because there's been some matches where we haven't necessarily been the best shooting team. So just to know that the team is taking all the right options is really pleasing for me to see from the sidelines as well, but also for our other team members as well, to know that their partners and their friends are making the right choices. So everything's on track.
Yes, well, I must admit I was one of those spectators for the game after the TPO,
Yep.
and that ended up as a real tactical strategic battle. Now,
Yep.
it mightn't be for the players because they're used to that, but for the audience it was really quite exciting
Yep.
to see how you played 2 balls against 1 ball, and all
Yep.
the wiring, and when you shot and when you didn't shoot, and,
Yep.
and all those sort of things. So I think that, you know, from my perspective, that was probably one of your day's highlights.
I completely agree, and the biggest thing is in Test match croquet, with the no time limits, you are able to play dry, and that's something that New Zealand has used to their strengths. I'm used to watching time limit game where it's a lot of shooting and aggressive style options, but when the courts are tough, you do need to take those lines of play. Today the lawns got up to about 11.5 seconds during the sort of fastest period of the day, and with the wind there were some really some tough patches on some of the courts, so it was nice to see us making all the right options and making the most of that and using it to our advantage.
Well done, and congratulations to your team. Any comments for tomorrow?
Same thing as today really. We've got 6 singles matches tomorrow, and although we're really happy with the test results so far, tomorrow's a big day for us because it's all of our momentum going into the second test against Australia. So we'd like all of our singles matches to be playing well tomorrow. We're again going to be chasing those wins, and tomorrow will put us in good stead for the critical second test against Australia.
Well done, and thank you very much for tonight. Congratulations to your team, and good luck for the ones that have still got to finish.
Thanks very much, and thanks for all the messages of support so far from everyone. It's really appreciated. Cheers.
Good night.